Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you so much, Barka Mataji. Thanks a lot for that. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. For everyone's information, Barka Mataji is in class 8, right, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Hari Bol. And she reads almost all, I think you know by heart, right, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Most of the verses. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Mataji, Nega Mataji, I made you co-host. Hari Bol. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chaturunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Gadamahyam Tadatmi Sapadantikam Vandegam Shri Gurum Shri Yatapatakamelam Shri Gurum Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Sagarjatam Sagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaidam Savad दूतम परिजन सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पदां सागन ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितां च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्तकांजन गौरांगी श्रीराधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जय पताका स्वामिनिति नामिने नमः आचार्यपादाय नित्याय कृपाय प्रदायिने गौरकथा दामदाय नगरग्रामतारिणे नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna. I welcome all of you for this 18 days. 18 days is just like that will run. But what pleasure you are going to have in these 18 days. It's going to remain forever in everyone of you. So for that, I welcome you all on behalf of Radha Govinda Temple, Kulai, Mangalore, on behalf of Namanishta Prabhu. So, Namanishra Prabhu, right from COVID 2020, is my screen shared? I don't know. Okay. So, he has been conducting online Bhagavad Gita 18 days classes from 2020. So 48 batches he has already conducted, and those who joined initially in the beginning, they all have finished Bhakti Shastri and they all are doing Bhakti Vaibhav. Okay, so a very, very brief, short, very, very briefly. ISKCON. Who is the founder Acharya of ISKCON? Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami, Srila Prabhupada. Abhaya Charan Bhakti Vedanta Swami. This is a title which he has got. His Guru Maharaj gave him. Okay, his Guru Maharaj gave his name A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami. His name is Abhaya Charan. Okay, so he is the founder Acharya of ISKCON. What is ISKCON? Do anyone of you know what is ISKCON? Can you please, what is this happening? Can you please write in the chat? What do you know about ISKCON? Hare Krishna, how will I know you all are in the class? So please write. I request all of you to write. What is ISKCON? ISKCON. ISKCON. Yes, come on. I think one answer is there. No. Hare Krishna. Have you all heard about ISKCON? Definitely you might have. Is it not? So what is ISKCON? Hare Krishna, Mataji's and Prabhuji's.
ISKCON is the International Society of Krishna Consciousness.
Hare Krishna, correct. International Society. So the name itself tells you that it is not an Indian association. International association. Who is the founder Acharya of International Society of Krishna Consciousness? Founder Acharya. Can anyone write? Just now I told.
Prabhupada Deva.
Yeah, yes, correct, Netaji. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada. He is the founder Acharya. Okay. So now, Srila Prabhupada, on his guru's instruction, he went to Western countries, America, at the age of 70, not 17. So he went to America at the age of 70 with hardly like 49 rupees in his hand, without any money, without any other asset other than the books. What are those books? Bhagavatam. So he reached abroad with his books, one small trunk. He carried along with him and he reached with actually no money. How did it go? That is also a big story. He tried because his guru told him, his Guru Maharaj told him to go to America. That's the reason he went. But how did he go? He struggled so hard in India to get passport, to get visa, especially getting US visa. All of you know very well how difficult it is. You have to shell out lot of money. That time, it was like now many people go. But those days, when Srila Prabhupada's age, it was very hard to get visa for America. So nobody was there to help him. He wrote to those time, the prime ministers, all the minister for external affairs, so many people he wrote. but none of them was ready to help him. Finally, one shipping company, Scindia, they, they were also somewhat very, very great devotees. So they helped Prabhupada to get his visa and ticket. Again, a huge amount. How to go? So they allowed him to go in their cargo ship. They used to send material often to America for their business purpose. So they told Prabhupada, if you are ready to go by ship, that too cargo ship. It was not like a luxurious ship like Titanic. It was just a cargo ship. But for Srila Prabhupada, hardly it mattered. Because for him, whether it's a luxurious building or one-room set, his main objective was to translate, write actually, books. Why translate? I said, most of these books, Vedantas, were in Sanskrit. And Srila Prabhupada was very good in English and Sanskrit. Right from his childhood, he was a scholar in Sanskrit. And he knew pretty well English also. That is yet another reason that his Guru Maharaj, his Guru, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, decided that Srila Prabhupada will spread this mission, as he was very good in Sanskrit as well as English. So his Guru told Srila Prabhupada to translate books. So for Srila Prabhupada, he thought, even if I am traveling by the cargo ship, how does it matter? Anyway, I have to sit and translate. So he easily accepted the proposal because for him, the one objective was to fulfill his Guru Maharaj's instruction, which was go to Western countries and spread this mission. Why Western country? Why America? Because we all have a habit of following the Western. Whatever Western people whatever they practice, we follow. Whatever is Indian, that is our Vedanta, Shastra, Vedas, everything is Indian asset. But we never gave any importance to them. But at the same time, even take for example yoga. It is our asset. But with the same yoga, if it is done by foreign countries, foreigners, if it is followed in Western countries, we immediately start following it. So that was the reason Srila Prabhupada's Guru Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He is the son of Bhakti Vinoda Saraswati Thakur. Okay, so he told Prabhupada that you have to go to Western countries and spread Krishna consciousness. You have to go and spread this Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Vedanta, Veda Anta, the end of the Vedas. So for Srila Prabhupada, his Guru's instruction was much more important than any of his material things. Because Srila Prabhupada was a self-realized soul. He was a Mahatma. So he wanted to only follow the instructions of his Guru. So he left everything. He left his family. His family did not support him. The country in which he lived, India, Indians did not support him. He struggled so hard to spread this mission. But again, with Krishna's mercy, though he went with one small trunk and the Bhagavatam books for him, he in fact translated before also. But unfortunately, that was sold by his own wife for peanuts. It was just some mere money. But still, Srila Prabhupada did not give up. Like we people used to say, no, something, little bit we lose also. We only, exemplate that incident as if we lost everything. But for Srila Prabhupada, that was only asset. That is Bhagavatam said. But he lost it. Still, he did not give it up. He said, again I will translate. Again I will sell these books, publish these books in Western countries so that the Westerners read, obviously seeing them, the Indians will follow. So he went to abroad. And after going there, he had to undergo many struggles. But again, as I said, he did not give it up. So Prabhupada went abroad, converted all hippies. Who were the hippies? Who were all addicted to so many things, which were in fact social evils. They never even used to have bath for weeks together. But Prabhupada converted all the hippies into happies in no time. Hardly he had 11 years in his hand. 1966 he went abroad. In fact, 65 he ended. So he had only time between 1966 to 77. 77, his soul left his body. But in these 11 years, he roamed around the whole world 14 times. Why? Just with an objective of spreading Krishna conscious movement. When he had to give this name, Krishna conscious, he was looking for names. Many people said, God consciousness. He wanted to distinguish between God and Krishna. Krishna is that supreme personality of Godhead. He is the absolute truth. So he wanted to distinguish that Krishna is the supreme. That's why instead of saying it is God consciousness, he said is Krishna consciousness. It is Krishna on, ISKCON. ISKCON is Krishna on. If Krishna is on in you, you are in ISKCON. That means Krishna consciousness. Right? So, Krishna consciousness, one whose soul is constantly thinking about Krishna, working for Krishna, employing the sense organs, that is a hand, mouth, ears, eyes, only for the pleasure of Krishna. How can it be done? We will keep on seeing in the forthcoming chapters. That's here. What picture you are able to see is the Jagannath Rath Yatra. It was originally initiated in where all of you might be knowing, Jagannath, Puri, where it was initially. But it spread. Now it's almost in all the countries of this world, this Rath Yatra is conducted because every country has got ISKCON temples. Okay, so everywhere this Rath Yatra is conducted. That is a small chariot for Krishna, and we pull it over all the streets. Why do we do it? Because Lord Jagannath is so merciful. Lord Jagannath and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who are none other than Krishna. They are so merciful. They think, why these fallen souls do not come to me? What is it so hard in it? It's so easy. Bhakti is so easy. Only thing is what they have to do is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is all they have to chant. So they think, why these fallen souls cannot chant so that they will come to me. Okay, so this Jagannath, wants to give darshan to everybody. Those who cannot go to his temple to have his darshan. He's so merciful. He tells, oh, you don't have time to come and have my darshan? I am ready. I will come out and I will give you my darshan. You all have my darshan once. Why? So that you can come to my abode. What is coming to my abode? That is crossing all the upper planetary system and getting into Krishna's Goloka. Once a person gets into Krishna's Goloka, will never fall down. What is the meaning of falling down? Will never come to this universe again and again in the name of birth and death. So Krishna tells in Bhagavad Gita chapter 12, I think this is the 7th verse, Yesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam Tesham satata, one more. Yesham satata yuktaye bhaktasvam paryupasate. He says, I will help you. Mrityu samsara sagarat. I will help you to cross this material ocean. Krishna tells, one who surrenders unto me, I will help you to cross this material ocean so that you will come to me. Tesham aham samudrata mrityu samsara sagarat. He tells, hold my hand. How to hold Krishna's hand, Mataji? We can't see Krishna only. We can hold Krishna's hand by simply chanting the Mahamantra. The 16 words of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. If we chant, Krishna only will help and Krishna only will hold our hand. That finger, one finger he holds, more than sufficient. So what is he telling? Tesham aham samudrata mrityu samsara sagarat. I will help you to cross this material ocean. So Lord Jagannath is so merciful. He comes out so that we fallen souls can have his darshan once and he will help us to cross this material ocean. Okay, so that is a purpose. That is the objective behind this Ratha Yatra. Okay, here the second picture what you are seeing is, second picture what you are seeing is Srila Prabhupada is sitting over there, here in the white dhoti, Abhayacharan Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, his Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is there. And next one, Srila Prabhupada is giving lectures. He is attending many conferences. This is the Jaladuta, cargo ship, in which Srila Prabhupada went to Western countries. When he went to Western countries, you see there, so many hippies are there. They all finally, within no time, it did not take much time for Srila Prabhupada to convert them into happies, because Srila Prabhupada did not, insist on very, very hard and fast rules which they cannot follow. He was also so merciful on all the fallen souls and he helped them to convert themselves into hippies to happies. They all became Krishna consciousness. In fact, the initial devotees who all initially, those who became Krishna consciousness members were none other than this Westerners, Americans. 3 important couples the Prabhupada had. These 3 couples helped Srila Prabhupada to spread this movement. Srila Prabhupada, you won't believe, within such a short span, Srila Prabhupada told them, you all go to London. One pair, you go to California. Others, you go to London in order to open temples. They always so shocked. Prabhupada, we don't even know the rules. What to follow, what to do. You are telling us to go and open temples. Srila Prabhupada said, you don't worry, Krishna is there with you. He will teach you everything. That was a confidence Srila Prabhupada had in them, because they have surrendered themselves to the Guru. So what we have to learn? First, If you want Krishna in your life, you have to bring Guru in your life. Without Guru, Krishna cannot come. But at the same time, Krishna has to show you the Guru. So we will learn, Mataji, which vicious circle, which comes first. We are going to learn very soon. Okay? So hold your anxiety. So once Srila Prabhupada went there, he contacted all the higher officials and he spread this movement very, very fast. So many people. You see, Srila Prabhupada has written more than 70 volumes of book. He has translated. For example, as I told Vedanta, he so all the Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, he has written as it is. Srila Prabhupada's translation of Bhagavad Gita is known as it is. Why? Because he has not interpreted any single word also said by Krishna. Whatever is said by Krishna, he has written as it is. That is why this book is known as Bhagavad Gita as it is. So other than that, so many books he has translated. Okay, his first magazine was Back to Godhead. That inspired so many devotees in America because such a simple magazine, it told how to go back to Goloka, how to go back to the home where from we have come, which is our original home, how to reach our original home. Okay, Hare Krishna. It's a long time I have been talking. This is our Radha Govinda Kulai temple. And on the 19th of August only, this new temple was inaugurated. And such a beautiful temple it is, I'm telling you. 4 to 5 days we all were there doing lot of sevas. It was actually under construction. Construction was not over. They had stopped it in between for 4-5 days. Again, small little, final finishing is left. It is again restarted. And this Radha, Govinda and Radha, they are the deities over there. In ISKCON, deities are the Lord himself. The Archa Vigraha, it is known as. What is Archa Vigraha? The Lord himself stays in the form of the deities. We consider Lord is there. We offer Bhoga to him. We offer Abhishekam. We do deities dressing. Okay, so the Lord is in the form of Archa Vigraha amongst us. You can't ask, most of the time we think, oh, one small lie, one small mistake, how will the Lord come to know? It's not like that. Lord is present in even the minutest atom, as well as he is present in everybody's heart. So whatever we think, he knows. That is why we take birth. Whatever we wanted to become, whatever we want to enjoy, he knows very well. The soul wants to enjoy this. That is why he gives us the next birth. That is the root cause. Why do we take a birth again? Because in order to fulfill the desires. The Lord knows the desires. Accordingly, he gives us the body. If you wanted to eat a lot, eat all the time, he will give you a pig's body. So it is all said in Bhagavatam. What is your desire? Accordingly, you will get the next body. There are 74 lakhs yonis. 74 kinds of yonis are there. We can write from the minutest worm, which live hardly for a few hours, and till devatas, who live for many years. Mataji, devatas are also, yes, devatas are also human beings like us only. For various purpose, maybe they decide to become devata. That's why they became. Just as I told, whatever is the desire, the Lord fulfills the desire. Okay? Yeah, we are coming to Bhagavad Gita. So before we read Bhagavad Gita, I want to tell you that why should you read Bhagavad Gita? There is one set of verses known as Gita Mahatmyam that tells us Why should we read Bhagavad Gita? One shloka I will read in a day and I will tell the meaning very, very short. And in the due course, after finishing all 7 shlokas, we can start in screen sharing and we all can learn one shloka in a day. Gita Shastram idam punyam yat pade pretas puman Vishnu padam apnoti bhaya shoka vivarjitaka. So what do you understand? Gita Shastram idam punyam. Gita Shastram is the only Shastra. One who reads it, instantly they get the punya. They do not wait. See, generally it is said, if you do some punya karma in your next birth, the benefit will come. Even if you do papa karma, in the next birth, the sin will come and attack you. That is why we suffer for many sins which we have done in the previous birth. You all may be wondering, in this birth, I know myself. I don't think any harm to anybody. I know how much I love other living entities. We know. But somewhere or the other, you may have a doubt. Why am I suffering? Because of the papa which you have done last year. Generally, this question comes, Ma'am, Mataji, previous birth we did. Why do we have to suffer now? So you hold on the doubt. Every day's class, you will get one hint. Okay, see, if you want a mango tree, you will sow mango seed only. So if you want your next birth to be very, very pleasurable, you sow the seed of devotion in you. So definitely you will become a devotee in the next birth and all blissful. The devotees are the most happiest people in this world. Always. Because for them it is Harsha Bayodvegai Mukto is such a me priya. Harsha Bayodvegai. They are not scared. Death anytime can attack them. They are not scared. Harsha. Neither dukh nor that is pain or pleasure can make them happy. It's all state of mind. They are happy in pain also. They're extremely same happiness in extreme happiness also. So they're always happy. Devotees are always happy. Okay. Hare Krishna. Anyone wants to share anything? Being the Janaki Mataji is, Janani Mataji is there. Ikambar Prabhuji has attended before also classes. Right, Prabhuji? Yeah. Okay. Anyone who is new would like to tell me that what do you know about Bhagavad Gita? Anyone who is new, for the first time you are attending class. I see many of you who have earlier also attended, but I want those who are attending for the first time, if any one of you can share, if you can open your video, great. Krishna, see, we go to temple not only to have darshan, we also go to temple for the Lord to have our darshan. That's all. That is a fact, in fact. So, if you open, Krishna can have your darshan. Still, if you do not, fine. That's not a big problem. But if you want to share what you understand by Srimad Bhagavad Gita, can you raise your hand? Neha Mataji will unmute you. Hare Krishna, come on, devotees. See, if the class is like, you do not interact, if you 3, 4, 5 days, you will see there's a decline in the number of devotees. If you want the classes to be very, very innovative, attractive, interesting. So what is required if you want the class to be interesting? It has to be interact. Hare Krishna. Can anyone of you unmute? Raise your hand, please.
Hello.
Yes, Mataji. Can you introduce yourself and tell what Bhagavad Gita is?
Myself Chandrakanta Devidasi. Government name Zeal. The basically Bhagavad Gita is the conversation between Arjun and Sri Krishna. But cause of that conversation, the world got to know a lot of things about Sri Krishna and how to attain bhakti, how to go on the bhakti marg.
Super Mataji, Hare Krishna, very nice, beautiful. Yeah, that's true. Actually, as Mataji said, because, see, it is just simply a dialogue between Arjuna and Krishna. For that matter, what kind of, the whole chapter we can say as doubt. Whole chapter, DOUBT, acronym, doubt. What is the doubt? Who had the doubt? Dhritarashtra. Who is Dhritarashtra? Duryodhan's father. Who is Duryodhan? He is also Kuru dynasty. Duryodhan is also from Kuru dynasty. Pandavas are also from Kuru dynasty. So Duryodhan, Kauravas, the eldest of the Kauravas is Duryodhan. Isn't it? So Dhritarashtra and Duryodhan, both are D, doubt. So this doubt comprises of two D's, D. Then we'll come to O. So these people had a doubt. Dhritarashtra had a doubt. All of you know Dhritarashtra was blind. He was not only physically blind, which he can't see, could not see, but he was blind of everything. He did not know what the dharma was. He was blind in love for his own children. His own children were committing so many mistakes, but he was blind towards them. Can he tried to correct even one single mistake, this Mahabharata war would not have taken place. He was totally blind in the love for his children. That is, there are reasons. In fact, he was so materialistic. He wanted to enjoy. Because he was born blind, he could not enjoy. So emotionally, he was so deprived. So he thought, what I could not enjoy, my children should be able to enjoy. So he always thought that his children only should be becoming the emperors, not Pandu's children. Who are Pandu's children? Panjapandavas. Panjapandavas, because Pandu passed away, Pandu's soul left his body when Panjapandavas were very, very young. But Kunti Devi, somehow she brought them to Hastinapur, where Dhritarashtra was ruling. But at the same time, Dhritarashtra, though he kept them in the palace, gave them all the comforts, helped them to go to Gurukul, learn all the vidyas, he was not happy that they should rule. He always wanted his sons, Kauravas, to rule the country. That is why he was blind in that thought, thinking my children only should rule. So now, whatever was the reason, so-called reason, finally there was a war, Mahabharata war. Since he could not go to Kurukshetra, where the war was fought. Why? Because he was blind. But his Sarathi, or one of his minister, Sanjaya, he had this beautiful, divine chakshu, divine vision. What is the divine vision? With which we can see, which is spiritual. Premanjana churita chakshu vilocanena Santa Sadaiva Hridayeshu Vilokayanti Yam Shyama Sundaram Achintya Gunaswarupam Govinda Madi Purusham Tamakam Bhajami. Who Brahma, in his Brahma Samhita, he praised the Supreme Lord Vishnu. Then he tells, Premanjana Churita, oh Krishna, we can't see, we can't have the darshana of your spiritual form with this eyes. Why? These eyes are material eyes. So he's asking, Premanjana Churita, oh Krishna, give me that vision with which, that is, we say no, Anjana. Anjana is the kajal which we apply in the eye. So Brahma is telling Krishna, Vishnu, give me that kajal, so that when I apply it in my eyes, I'll be able to have your divine darshan. Same way, the Sanjaya had a boom given by Vedavyasa. Once he has obliged to Vedavyasa's request, so Vedavyasa, who is none other than the Supreme Personality of Godhead, his avatar only, he came to give this Vedas to us in part. Earlier, the Vedas were so big, people were not able to read fully, especially in Kali Yuga. Sumanda Manda Buddhi. Our brain is also limited. Our lifespan is also limited. So we can't read the Vedas. So Bhagavan only came in the form of Vedavyasa and divided the Vedas into 4 parts. All of you know all those things, isn't it? So that Vedavyasa gave one boom to Sanjaya. What is that? Premanjana Chakshu. Whatever he wanted to see, divine, wherever he is, he can, with the divine vision, he can see whatever is happening in faraway place. So Dhritarashtra told Sanjaya, Sanjaya, why don't you sit in front of me and explain whatever is happening in the Kurukshetra? It happens, like these days, so many technology. Sitting in one corner, we can watch anything, everything. But those days were not like that. So, Vedavyasa, because of Vedavyasa's boon, Sanjaya was able to describe the entire Kurukshetra war to Dhritarashtra. Why we are talking about this war? Because Bhagavad Gita is a part, the main kind of Mahabharata war. During that war, before the war started, before the first arrow was shot, Arjuna wanted to see what is happening, who all are there in this Kurukshetra war, with whom I will have to fight. So he told Krishna, Krishna, you take this chariot. Why Krishna? Because Krishna was his Sarathi. Why Krishna was his Sarathi? In the whole course we will see. Not on the very first day, because every day you will get little story. Okay, so here what happened? When Arjuna came in the center, he is seeing everywhere, his kith and kin, so many people have assembled. And his guru, Acharya, his brothers, his father-in-laws, even his grandsons are on the opposite side to fight with him. How will we feel? Isn't it? If you have to fight with your own teacher, how will we feel? So same feeling Arjuna had. But Arjuna is a great, close associate of Krishna. He knows everything. But still, for us to know, as Netaji told just now, for us to know, for us to understand this Bhagavad Gita, had Arjuna not asked Krishna all the questions, everywhere 8 questions are important. In every chapter you will get. So Bhagavad Gita is the answer for Arjuna's questions. So it is in the form of a dialogue. Arjuna asking question, Krishna replying. All these questions were asked for us to know. All these answers are given by Krishna for us to elevate ourselves from this material platform to the spiritual platform. So that is what is given in the slide. It was considered as a spiritual dictionary. Bhagavad Gita is the manual for our life. As you get manual for all the material things what you buy. Car you buy, washing machine you buy, fridge you buy, anything you buy, it comes with a manual, how to use it. Similarly, the soul, when it is born, it does not carry a manual, how the soul should be used. So Krishna gave us this manual. Bhagavad Gita is the manual, how to use these indriya, how to use the sense organs, how to use my ears, like you all are using your ears. Haribol to everybody. You all are attending class in the sense you are listening. You are using your ears for the pleasure of Krishna. I am right now using my tongue for glorifying the Lord, which you are hearing. And we are using our vision, eyes, for seeing the slides of Bhagavad Gita. That is what is Bhagavad Gita. When you learn, attend all the 18 days, I give you guarantee, you attend 18 days without any gap, with a pen and diary in your hand. You don't have to note everything. Sit with that. Whatever you feel very important, you note down. Why I'm saying, if you're attentive, at the end of the 18th day, you will see a transformation in yourself. Okay? You 100% you will see. You will see 18 days before, what was I? And 18 days later, what am I? You'll be surprised. That is the power of Srila Prabhupada. Because Srila Prabhupada has given us this translation of the Supreme Personality of God's words as it is to us. So it has the power of transforming every soul. Okay, so this one I told, the Gita Mahatmyam. What was the first shloka which I read? Once you read Bhagavad Gita, it is guaranteed that you will reach Krishna's Goloka. That means you will get relieved from this birth and death. Tesham aham samudrata mrityu samsarat sagarat. Bhagavan is telling, I will help you to cross this. 12.7. Okay, Hare Krishna. So, everybody, any scientist you take, any philosopher you take, they have spoken so high about Bhagavad Gita. But there's no need for them to speak, because these are the words of Lord Himself, who has created this entire universe. At His one glance, the universe is created. At His one breath, the universe is annihilated. Okay, we will read everything slowly, gradually. Okay, for the time being, what we are seeing is in this slide very important, because there are so many people who have written Vyakya, explanation to Bhagavad Gita. We should not read the purports, the Vyakya, descriptions written by any Tom, Dick and Harry. We should not, because they have used, in fact, they have literally used Bhagwan's words for their well-being, for their various other purposes, which I can't explain in this open forum. But yes, Srila Prabhupada has come in the parampara, guru, disciplic succession. How Srila Prabhupada, whom you see behind him, is Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, his guru, and then his guru, Baba Kishora Dasa, okay, his guru, Bhakti Siddhanta, Bhakti Vinoda Thakur. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's father only is Bhakti Vinoda Thakur. But in between, Baba Kishora Dasa is there. Why? His father Vinoda Thakur, Srila Vinoda Thakur told Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati to take initiation or to accept Baba Kishora Dasa as his guru. That is the reason. Okay, his guru, Narada. Who is Narada's guru? Brahma. Brahma got Vedas. Brahma got this Veda, Upanishad, Vedanta from whom? Straight from Supreme Personality of Godhead. Because when Brahma was born, the entire, everything was dark. He just came out of the navel through the stem of the lotus. And the lotus blossomed, Brahma was out. He could not understand anything. What is happening? Where am I? Where can I come? Till now, everything dark, he was thinking. But he could hear, tap, tap, tap. This is a tap word he could hear. That is why in Shastras, hearing is given importance so much. Why Shastra? Any language, communication skill you take, listening, speaking, reading, writing. LSRW skill, listening. So Brahma listened to this tapa. He's Brahma. He understood. Oh, the Lord wants me to meditate. So he started meditating on the Supreme Personality of Godhead's lotus feet. He got the knowledge by himself through meditation. Everything. That's why it is Shruti. Vedas are Shruti. Because Shravanam, Brahma heard it in his meditation. Okay, so we have to read, learn, follow, live that Bhagavad Gita, which is given by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
So
Krishna.
here now we will go little faster. Gita is a very vast book. 18 days we cannot finish, but it is a beginning. This is known as level 1. In order to create an urge, in order to create a devotion towards Bhagavad Gita in everybody's heart, this is a capsule. So many chemicals are put in one capsule and the doctor prescribed. We have that medicine capsule, we become all right. Same way, 18 days, it's in a capsule form. 18 capsules you have. It has all the vitamin, minerals, everything, nutrition is there. You all will become a very, very empowered personality after 18 capsules, only 18 days. But once you get that power of understanding or an urge to hear Gita, what will happen? We will take you to level 2. Level 2 is expanded, elaborated study. So you all are going to soon continue level 2, which the whole purpose, whole Bhagavad Gita book, this is a whole book you will be reading in level 2. Just to create that urge to learn, this 18 days capsule form of 18 days journey has been given to you. All designed, everything. All glories to Srila Prabhupada, Srila Guru Maharaj, to Namanishta Prabhu also. Because he is the one who has designed this. I would express my gratitude to my Shiksha Guru, Aishwarya Mataji, who has given me this opportunity to share with you whatever little I know. Not only that, to learn together with you all. This journey is not, I am telling you something you are learning. No, we all will learn together through interaction, so that these classes you will find them really interesting. Thus, create an interest to continue the level 2 journey. Okay, doubt I said, if you remember. D, first I said D is for Duryodhana and Dhritarashtra. So what is the doubt? Dhritarashtra had a doubt. Oh, they all have gone to Kurukshetra. Who will win? Will my son, that is a Kauravas or Panchabandavas, my brother's son? Who is his brother? Pandu. So the first shloka, he asked only the first shloka. First means Bhagavad Gita has got 700 shlokas, 18 chapter, but the first verse of the first shloka only was spoken by Dhritarashtra in the form of a question, doubtful question. Okay, so he's asking Sanjaya. See, whoever tells, we will tell Uvacha. Uvacha means one who talks. Okay, we will go to that slide. Slide will be here. There are so many reasons why, who is that? Arjuna asked questions and all we will see. Don't worry about that at all. Today we might not have seen all the slides. Absolutely no problem. We will cover everything. Don't worry. This is another verse of Gita Mahatmyam. This is the 6th verse of Gita Mahatmyam. Sarvopanishado gavo dokta gopala nandanaha partho vatsa sudhir bhokta duktam gita amritam mahat. So the whole Bhagavad Gita is like, that milking the cow. And who is the cow who is milking, who is drinking that nectar of milk. It is given here. Upanishads are said to be cow, and the milker is Lord Krishna. And who is Lord Krishna here? Son of Nanda Baba. Arjuna is the calf. Calf is very important, otherwise the cow won't give milk. So beautiful milk is drunk by whom? All the devotees like you. We are drinking that milk. So this is another benefit of reading Bhagavad Gita. So Krishna asking questions to, Arjuna asking questions to Krishna about his lamentations. What are lamentations? That means, see, most of the time we live in past. Oh, I should not have done this. I should have done this. I should not have gone there. I should have gone here. Keep on thinking about the past. No, that is lamentation. So Arjuna also is, we should not have come to this level of fight. We should have already agreed to some terms and conditions. Why did we come to this level of fighting with my own kitankin, fighting with my own gurus? Okay, so you see, Krishna, Arjuna in the middle, Duryodhan and Dhritarashtra. So Dhritarashtra asked Sanjaya, Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetnayu Utsava Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kima Kuruvata Sanjayaga. This is the only shloka, as I told. Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dhritarashtra is saying, Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. In that Dharmakshetra, what is Dharmakshetra? The Kshetra in which Dharma will be followed. In Kurukshetra is known as Dharma Kshetra because that Kurukshetra is known for Dharma. So Dhritarashtra is asking Sanjaya, what happened to my son and my brother's Pandu's son? What is happening? Who will win? Mamaka Pandavas Chaiva. Mamaka, my sons, Pandavas Chaiva, Pandu's children. Kima Kuruvata? Kim, what? Kuruvata, doing. What are they doing in the field? Kurukshetra. It's like, all three people we saw now. All three people are the product of the same dynasty. Understand this very well. Because the example, what is analogy given in front of you right now? It's a beautiful analogy. First you saw Dhritarashtra, then Arjuna, then Duryodhana. All belong to Kuru dynasty. Have come in the same lineage. But three different people are having three different mentality, three different characteristics. Like the same milk gives you three different kinds of products. From the milk, it is milk, you can make a curd or you can make cheese. From that cheese, you can make rasgulla. But milk is the same. The original raw material is the same. Similarly, the original source of Kuru dynasty is the same. But three different people have three different mentalities. As you see, these three different products. So Dharma Kshetra, that is the Kurukshetra. And what else? Mamaka, my children. Who are my children? Who is saying Dhritarashtra? So Kauravas, 100. Kima Kuruvata? What? Also the Pandus, Pandavas Putra, 5, Pancha Pandava. What are they doing? Now you see this very bad side. Duryodhan is going to his own Acharya, Dronacharya, is going and telling, because once upon a time, Dronacharya was a very, very close friend of Drupada. He was a close, means who is that? Draupada Naresh, that king of Drupad Desh. Both were very close friends. They went to the same Kurukula. So that time, king told, okay, whenever you want any favor, you come to me. When they had to depart, so he told, whenever you need any favor, you come to me, I'll help you. But it happened, so Dronacharya went once, but Drupada, he refused to recognize him, and that is the reason Dronacharya gave a curse to him. What was that curse? That is, nobody can kill him. It's a big story. To cut short everything, finally he had one son, Drupada. He prayed big yajna, he did, and he got one son in order to kill Dronacharya. So he is also standing on the side of Pancha Pandava. So now Duryodhana is telling his own Guru, you only taught him, no, how to form this army, how to fight and all, knowing very well he is only the person who can kill you. You knew this very well. Still, without any partiality, you taught him how to fight. Now he's standing in front of you to kill you. So like that, he's shouting on his own Guru. Very bad, right? Duryodhana. That is what, he's in fear. One who are in fear, they get bewildered. I told doubt, D-O-U-B-T. In that, bewilderment is also there. Doubt. Okay. I'm not reading the shloka today. We will read it tomorrow because we'll finish off the first chapter. The blowing of these different conch shell. So whatever is given up, these are the names of conch shell. Different names. Different people blow different conch shell. Krishna blows Dhananjaya. Like that, different people blows different conch shell. The blowing of these conch shells, what symptoms they are going to win. When Kauravas blow, it tells that means it represents, the sound represents that Kauravas are going to lose the battle. So that is why it is given. It shattered the hearts of the sons of Dhritarashtra. So Dhritarashtra, hearing this, is saying the sound is shattering them, telling that Pandavas will win and the Kauravas will lose. That is why he had the doubt in his mind. So one of the things which tell that Kauravas are going to lose and Pandavas are going to win. There are 9 reasons. So what are those 9 reasons? These are the 9 reasons. Number 1, the fight is happening in a Dharma Kshetra. Their Dharma only will win. All of you know very well, between Kauravas and Pandavas, who all are dharmis, who follow religion, who all follow the Dharma path. Is it not? So obviously Pandavas. The chariot belongs to, the chariot is actually known as Agni Deva. Agni has given this chariot. So Agni, Varna Bhagavan, Indra Bhagavan, they all are devatas, right? So this chariot, once Krishna will get down from this chariot, next moment it will blow into pieces. So that kind of divine chariot. Kapit Dvaja. Kapi means who? Hanuman. See the flag? Hanuman is there. Wherever Hanuman is there, their victory is there. Shankanada, just as I told, all the conch shells sound which the Pandavas blew, that also represents the sound of victory. With the Kauravas blew, represented the sound of defeat. Gandiva. Krishna, Arjuna had this. Gandiva, Pashupatasra. There's a story, it will come in one of the slide, it will come in one chapter about the story, wherein Arjuna gets this Pashupatasra from Shiva. Tekta Jivita, all the people who are fighting, most of them are self-realized souls. So obviously, the Dharma will win. Mokshada Ekadashi, it started on the Mokshada Ekadashi day. Bhagya Lakshmi, who is she? Wherever Krishna is, his wife Lakshmi will be. Narayana and Lakshmi. So obviously, Krishna is there means Lakshmi is there. Lakshmi is there means victory is there. Rishikesha. Who is Rishikesha? Who is the controller of all senses? Who is the controller of all senses? Krishna himself. Okay, now this Arjuna is telling 5 reasons to Krishna, telling him why he is not going to fight. Arjuna is telling Krishna, oh Krishna, I will not fight this battle. So what are those 5 reasons we will see now? Okay, the 5 reasons are, first one is compassion. So what is compassion? Compassion means you have mercy for others. What is the mercy? The mercy is that all the people who are standing on the other side are his own kith and kin, close relatives. So he said, my acharyas are there, my brothers are there, I won't fight. Oh, what am I going to enjoy even if I win? Because everybody is going to die. So if I win also, I'm not going to enjoy anything, Krishna. Thirdly, he's saying, oh my God, killing everybody is a papa karma. Krishna, I will not fight. I will not kill. Don't give me this papa. Family tradition. All these people, if they die, what will happen to their family tradition? Who will give Shraddha ceremony to his parents, their parents? Who will give hereditary to the wives of those soldiers who are at home? Finally, he told, sorry, my dear Krishna, I am not able to decide. What am I supposed to do? So he throws the Gandiva down and he tells Krishna, sorry, Krishna, I am not able to decide. So what are those reasons? He had compassion for kith and kin. He told, after everybody dies, I will not enjoy this kingdom. And it's killing everybody is a sin. Family tradition will be distorted. The wives will not have husband. Fathers and mothers will not have children. So I don't want to fight. This is what he told Krishna. So what is very, very, very important here? The very important thing is, okay. Finally, the conclusion, Arjuna is telling here. One second. Okay, it's not working. Dhritarashtra's inquiry. Kima kurvata? Oh, Arjuna. Oh, Sanjaya. My son and Pandu's son, what are they doing there? This is what he asked. Who? Dhritarashtra asked Sanjay. Duryodhana's fear. Duryodhana is telling his own guru, telling that you only taught all those people who are standing against me how to fight. Then blowing of conch shell. All the people blew the conch shell, which tore apart their hearts. That is the meaning of the Hridayani. Hridayani Vyadarayat. Then the last but one, Gandivam Shamsate Hastat. Hasta means hand. Gandiva fell from Arjuna's hand. Then Apratikaram Asastram. So this is Ashastram. The Arjuna is telling there is no, these are the 5 reasons. These 5 reasons I don't want to fight. That is not religious to fight. My dear Krishna, I will not fight. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Mataji's and Prabhuji's. I really got carried away. This attendance is very important because very soon level 2 is coming. So if you all want to do level 2, you need to fill up the attendance. You need to do quiz. Only then you all will be able to join level 2. So every day's attendance is a must. I'll be reminding in between. So all of you are requested to, if you have not, kindly start filling up the attendance. By then, anybody having any doubt, please raise your hand. Neha Mataji will unmute you. Anybody having any doubt? See, we have not begun. It's like we have plowed the land. We have to sow the seed of devotion. For that, plowing is important. So today we tried to plow the field, and within a day or two, we will sow the seed of devotion. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
रूपस्य कृपा सिंधु भयवच पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All glories to assembled devotees. Hare Krishna. All
Hare
glories
Krishna.
to assembled devotees. Hare Krishna. All
Hare
glories.
Krishna.
Gauranga, Hari Hari Bol. Yes, Mataji's and Prabhuji's, you can raise your hand. Those who are in a hurry, you can leave. Otherwise, you can ask me doubts if you have. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Ekamara Prabhuji, I know you for a long time. You have finished level 2 also. I want you to soon join Bhakti Shastri. Because you know so many things, Prabhuji.
Bhagavad Gita Paramata.
Hare Krishna. Yes? Anybody having doubt?
Mataji,
Yes,
if
Mataji.
I want to change the session and go to morning session, will I be able to?
Yeah, yes, Mataji. Definitely.
From 10 to 11, if I can join, it will be very convenient to me. Morning.
Neha Mataji, do we have 10 to 11?
Hare Krishna Mataji, no Mataji, we're having 6 a.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m. and 9 p.m.
3 p.m., 4
Oh.
p.m. and 9 p.m. Okay, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
No, Mataji, 7 p.m., 9 p.m. No 4 p.m. Mataji.
9 p.m. shall I join morning? Morning is very convenient.
Night, Mataji, 9 p.m.
9 p.m. To
Yeah.
10 p.m.
Mm.
Oh, 9 a.m. no?
No, Mataji, we don't have 9 a.m. Because most of the students are, school going or college going students.
Oh, I see.
Many are office goers.
Okay.
Okay. Hare
Afternoon?
Krishna. No, Mataji.
No. Only this session we can.
Yeah.
Otherwise 9 p.m.
Yes, Mataji.
Oh,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Anybody else having any doubt? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama.
Rama, Hare Krishna. So if nobody is having any doubt, with everyone's permission, should I end the session? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji's, Prabhuji's. Can I end the session?